Hey everyone, and welcome to Curiosity Satisfactions. Today, we're diving into the awesome world of geometry. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Geometry. Isn't that all about shapes and angles? And you know what? You're right. But hold on a second before you click away, because geometry is way more exciting than those dusty old textbooks might lead you to believe. From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, geometry is the secret code that holds the universe together. It's full of surprising facts and mind benders, so buckle up because we're about to get our shape on. And don't forget to answer the trivia throughout the video using timestamps. Let's kick things off with a shape we all know and love, the circle. It's smooth, it's round, it's the shape of pizzas and cookies. But here's a question for you. How many sides does a circle actually have? Well, get ready to have your mind blown, because a circle technically has an infinite number of sides. Imagine taking a polygon and adding more and more sides. Eventually, you'd end up with a shape so smooth and round that it would be indistinguishable from a circle. So, the next time you see a circle, remember you're looking at a polygon that's reached peak geometric enlightenment. Hold on a sec now, geometry whizzes. Before we move on, can you answer this? What is the name of a polygon with 10 sides? Drop your answer in the comments. Next up, we're venturing into the realm of parallel lines. In the world of geometry, parallel lines are defined as two lines that are always the same distance apart. They run alongside each other forever, but will never meet, no matter how far you extend them. Think about railroad tracks, the lines on a basketball court, or even the opposite sides of a rectangle. These are all examples of parallel lines creating order and structure in our otherwise chaotic universe. Now let's explore the triangles. Those three-sided wonders that seem to pop up everywhere. From slices of pizza to traffic signs, triangles are like the overachievers of the geometry world. But there's one thing about triangles that's especially cool. The sum of the angles in any triangle will always equal 180 degrees. So, the next time you're cutting a pizza into those perfect triangular slices, remember, you're also slicing up a fundamental truth of geometry. Here is another brain teaser for you guys. What is the name of a geometric figure formed by two rays that share a common endpoint? Let's move on to a shape that's all about balance and order, the square. Squares have four sides, all of the same length and four perfect right angles. It's like the ultimate geometric balancing act, with every side and every angle working together in perfect harmony. Squares are the foundation for so many other shapes and concepts in geometry. They're the building blocks of cubes, the basis for calculating area and perimeter, and they even play a crucial role in understanding more complex geometric theorems. Talking about theorems, let's talk about the Pythagorean theorem. This theorem, named after the ancient Greek mathematician Pythagoras, is like the rock star of the geometry world. The Pythagorean theorem helps us figure out the relationship between the sides of a right triangle. In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. It might sound complicated at first, but once you wrap your head around it, the Pythagorean theorem can be incredibly useful for all sorts of real-life applications. We're talking about everything from measuring distances to building bridges to even designing video games. Okay, a last trivia question. What is the name of the mathematician who first proved the Pythagorean theorem? You think that's easy? And I have already answered that? Let me give you a hint. It's not Pythagoras. That's a wrap. Don't forget to answer the trivia using timestamps in the comments. Those with correct answers will get a shout out in the next video. If you liked this video, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, share the video around. Thanks for watching.